I don't think it is bullshit. And I think the ones that are thinking it's bullshit are already behind, to be quite honest. I think that there's a misconception that ChatGPT is a search engine. It's not. And I think the difference between the previous technologies that I studied, that you studied, is that this technology has reasoning capabilities. And the fact that it can reason makes it very different to a logic-based decision, like old call centers that you described. So this is not bullshit. It's an adoption. I think it's overhyped. I accept that. But it's certainly not bullshit. I think that the fact that it can reason, and that's what makes humans different to other animals, is reason, is that it's not bullshit. This is something serious. There's going to be significant impact, job loss, job gain, determined by us. And when they start to reason, then we're going to be like, we shouldn't have called bullshit on this. That's my opinion. I don't think it's bullshit. It's not the same as what we had. Us older guys are stuck in our ways. And I think the new generation understand that this is not the same thing. So I think that we need to step out of the mud, so to speak. With regards to the adoption thing, I think that anyone trying to force it down your throat has already, again, missed the boat. TikTok, I'm going to use TikTok again. TikTok have adopted it, but you don't know. Discovery have adopted it, you don't know. They're producing outcomes using AI. They're not selling you AI. So I think the people that are trying to force it down your throat, Andre, use my AI, they're missing the whole point. Apple Intelligence is slow to adopt, but I think Apple, Microsoft, the things that you're already using continuously, the moment they start using AI, you won't know it's AI. It's just adding value to your life. So I think the people that are adding value to their customers without selling AI are the ones that are winning. The ones that are trying to shove AI down your throat by buying my AI are already lost. They've already lost the race, if that answers the question. So you will adopt it without you knowing.